What hurts the most is being so close and having so much to say, watching you walk away and never knowing what could have been. Not seeing that love in you is what I was trying to do. It's hard to deal with the pain of losing you everywhere I go, but I'm doing it. It's hard to force that smile when I see your friends and I'm